Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix cannot export or save SRT subtitles on CapCut PC. So if you want to only export the subtitles, but you cannot do that on the CapCut PC in here, so when you try to export only the subtitle, there is no such options, or you cannot find the options to export it. You can just use the CapCut online, or you can just use the CapCut on your browser. So go to the CapCut.com and then log in with your CapCut account, and you'll be on this page, my edit on CapCut.com. So you can just add your videos in here. Just click on new video, and this editing page will be opened. Okay, so let's say I want to export the subtitles from this video. So you can just drag and drop the file in here, the file that you want to edit. Here I'm going to split the clip so the clip is not too long, so the captions will not be too long. Let's just wait. Okay, I'm going to just split in here and delete the rest of them. Okay, let's generate the subtitles of our the caption first. So you can go to the captions button in here at the left panel and use the auto captions. Don't forget to select the language and click on generate. Okay, so these are the captions. Okay, you can see. And to export the captions, you can just click on this download button here at the bottom, export captions. Just tap on that and choose SRT file. Now the SRT file will be successfully exported. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the